Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to purchase a guest certificate. First, visit www.bzzgetaway.com. Now you are on the home page. Click on the search link from the top menu bar. Great! Now you can hover to the My Account link still from the top menu bar, then click on Sign In. Read the terms and conditions and fill in the required information for the traveler. Double-check the filled details, then click the Add to Cart button. Click on View Cart, then proceed to Checkout. Check your personal details if the checkout form is pre-filled, or fill in the required billing details if this is your first time. Go to Additional Information. Please read and agree the package's terms and conditions. If you select the payment via PayPal, click on Proceed to PayPal and fill in payment details accordingly. If you instead select the payment via Stripe, fill in the credit card details, then click Place Order. Please read and accept the terms and conditions. Your purchase is now complete, and soon you will receive a confirmation email with your invoice. Please check your email. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any questions, you may contact us at support@bzzgetaway.com. Have a wonderful journey with Bzzgetaway.